Welcome home. I just got back from work late and I want to show you one of the recipes that is my go-to. It's not super fancy, but it tastes delicious and it's super quick to make. So, you guessed it, instant noodles. First off, we've got the kettle on to boil the water to speed things up. Let's crack this open. Lovely. And we're also gonna prep a couple things to go with it. We're not gonna get too crazy, just a few bits. We've got some cashew nuts that are gonna go really good to get some protein in, and you don't get a load of protein just from the noodles. Also, another great addition is some spring onions. They just add a little bit of freshness, and it's easy to be lazy and just skip it out and just have noodles on their own, but it's worth it. You know, you've got time to do this while you're waiting for the kettle, while the noodles are cooking up. All right, so we'll just give these a little peel. Water's boiling, just gonna pour that over. For my bowl, I know the specifics for my bowl, it works up just to have enough water to cover over the noodles like that. Now, open up the microwave and we're going to pop these in for a minute and a half to start off with. Actually, let's do a couple minutes. So we've got time to chop up our spring-os. So we're going to stick these in the bin as well, and this, and get chopping. So I just chop off a little bit of the ends that are not quite as fresh. And now we're just going to slice this up. I've only recently started, or relatively recently started, using spring onions, and they're so nice. Obviously there's not like a lot of nutrition in them or anything. They're just a really nice thing to freshen up your meals. And they also look really good as well. They look good as a little garnish on top of things. Oh, that's a big one. Let's chop that. Nice. That's all ready. Let's get this open and ready as well. Ta-da! Throw away the bits we don't need. Noodles are ready. Just bring them out quickly, stick them on here, and give them a little wiggle with a fork. And you can actually try and, okay. It's hard to flip them over from this angle, so I'm just gonna squeeze them down like this. Now we're gonna put them back in for another minute and a half. Now grab a couple of sauces. So we've got, this actually already has some sesame oil, so we'll just use that. And just a little bit of the classics, soy sauce and some white wine vinegar. Boom. And that's the noodles ready. This is the most awkward part of the meal, trying to get them out of the microwave. Okay, now grab our sachet, put it in. And the reason that we do the sachet at the end, I didn't used to do this, but what it does is it means that the noodles can cook properly in the water and they absorb the water, but they don't absorb all the sauce. So now what we get doing this is like a nice flavorful broth. Otherwise, a lot of the broth is absorbed by the actual noodles, and you get a nicer contrast having the broth and then also having the noodles, which are a little bit more plain but give a lovely bit of texture. Now I just like to add, just to taste really, some white wine vinegar and some soy sauce, just to give our broth even more lovely flavour. Don't be shy with the soy sauce, never. So there we go. So now we're just going to sprinkle our spring onions over. Oh. And then these roasted salted cashew nuts, which are, yeah, a great source of protein and go deliciously with this meal. There we go. Beautiful, super quick ramen noodle bowl. Let's have a little taste. The crunch of the spring onion is brilliant, and the cashew nuts are nice and crunchy as well, and lovely salty and sour broth. Yeah, just what I needed after work. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. It's a bit of a quicker, simpler recipe, but this is one of the things that I cook a lot, and this channel is called Real Vegan Cooking. I want to share the actual practical vegan recipes that I actually use, and this is one of them. So if you liked it, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.